13-inch pan lid, fits Victoria 13-inch cast iron skillets. This is only for Victoria 13 inches cast iron skillets. It's custom made and will not fit other 13 inches skillets. Dishwasher Oven Safe. Remove the knob from the glass lid before washing in dishwasher. Only on top rack. Oven safe up to 350 F. Tempered glass, lets you see how your cooking is going, without losing moisture, and it's safer than normal glass. Airflow knob for better performance. Hollow core stainless steel knob allows airflow to prevent it from overheating. Easy hold handle. Ergonomic design for your comfort. The Victoria glass lid with stainless steel knob is the perfect fit for your Victoria 13-inch skillet. It will help cook the food even faster, keeps the moisture in, perfect for high moisture cooking like braising. Top reviews from the United States. Inner rim of pan must be minimum 12 inches and less than 13 inches for above the rim fit. I purchased this lid for the specific purpose of covering my 13.25-inch lodge skillet. However, the perimeter of the lid is approximately 13 inches as advertised, and the top inner perimeter if a lodge skillet is slightly less. Therefore the lid sits below the lip of the skillet. I prefer that the lid fit perfectly on the lip of the skillet. I am also very OCD regarding my cookware and cleaning it. The metal rim of this lid is snug against the top of the lid. But there is a 1/8 inch gap between the inside of the lid and the metal rim. I know this will allow food and grease buildup, which should be easily accessible with a dishwashing brush. Overall, this is a good lid and will fit any pan with a minimum top inner pan perimeter of 12 inches and slightly less than 13 inches for an on-the-lip fit.